Assalamualaikum. Kita teruskan dengan soalan 15. Soalan 15 soalan trigonometri. Saya memang sangat suka trigonometri ni problem. Mari kita soalan ni ke kertas yang lain. Ya. Ada sedikit masalah sini, tak bergerak. Okey. Alright. Solve the equation 2 sin squared x is to tangent minus half, minus 1/2. Okay, 2 sin squared x is equal to tangent 45 degree minus 1/2. Berapa nilai tangent? What's the value of tangent 45? Can you imagine one triangle, one right angle triangle with one unit of length for both legs. This is 45 degree. Okay, then tangent is opposite of by definition, right? Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Then tangent 45 degree is 1/1, which is 1. Or if that's not convincing enough, we can try to use calculator. But it's always good for us to go and deduce value of tangent 45 like this, or any other trigonometry like sin 30, cos 60, and so on. But if you are not so convinced, do not feel so comfortable, then try this tangent 45. Yep, 1. Okay, tangent 45 is 1. Okay, let's move on. 2 sin squared x thus is 1 minus 1/2. Then 2 sin squared x is equal to 1/2. Then sin squared x is equal to 1/4. So that makes sin x, if we square root each side, then sin x is plus minus 1/2. Okay, plus minus 1/2, that means one of the for sin, yes, probably no, sin 30 degree is 1/2. Okay, if you have a triangle, this is 30 degree, then you have 1 unit over here and 2 unit at the hypotenuse. 1 unit opposite and 2 unit hypotenuse. Sine is opposite of hypotenuse. Okay, these are just some reference. It's not needed for exam paper. Okay, it looks like I have some problem with my PC, probably because it's a little bit overloaded. Okay, delete everything. Then let's take a look at the graph. I just sketch a graph. Then 30 degree, because this is a let me choose other color. Let me choose blue color. Straight line. Okay. So because it is plus minus negative, so the answer lies here. All sector of the Cartesian coordinate. Okay, all sector, all segment of the Cartesian plane. So what's the answer then? So x is definitely one of the answer is 30 degrees. What else? What about this? Yeah, that is 180 minus 30, which is 150. And what about this one? That is 150 plus 30, which is 210 degree. And the last one is this one. Okay, that is 360 minus 30, which is 330 degree. So that's the answer. This is for the range of x between 0 and 360 degree. Okay, move on. Okay, next question, number 16. Diagram 16 shows a semicircle ABC with center O and sector DBE with center D. So OD, given OD is 4 cm and length of arc BE is 5.2 cm. Arc BE is this one, that is 5.2 cm. Okay, and OD, this is 4 cm. Alright. And everything AD is equal to DO is equal to OE and equal to EC. They are all the same length. So the question is the value of theta in radian, and then the area in cm square of the shaded region. Okay, let's move this diagram over to another page. Before that, I would like to delete everything here. And let me see. Pi is 3.142. Okay, that's very important information. Control print screen. Yeah, let's put it here. So what have we got here? The arc length BE is 5.2 cm and DO is 4 cm, which means the radius of that circle is 8 cm, twice that, because they are all the same length. Okay, the same length. And also the radius of the sector inside it is as well 8 cm. Okay, so let's go and find the question A first. Okay, A, let's go and draw the sector. Alright, this is our theta, and this is 5.2 cm, and the radius R is 8 cm. So how do you find theta? We can use the formula S equal to R theta. Then as we know, 5.2, and R also we know, which is 8. Then theta is the one that we like. So theta is 5.2 over 8. Let's use our calculator, and then we can get the value. 5.2 over 8, which is 0.65 radian. 0.65 radian. Okay, that's the first answer. And what about B? Area of the shaded region. So we need to find out the area of the sector inside. Okay, There are two pieces of the area that you need to find. First, to find the semicircle area, and then we are going to find the sector inside. Okay, I call this A1 and this is A2. Center O, this radius is 8 cm, and this as well, radius is 8 cm. It's the same. Okay. Oh yeah. There are actually two ways. I can show you both ways, because they are of the same radius. Then it is easy to find out the answer to this question. But let me just do it two ways. First, I just try to find A1 and then A2, and then the area of the shaded region. Okay, let A be the area of shaded region. And A1 be area of semicircle, and A2 is the area of sector. Okay, then the A1 would be the area, the formula for full circle is pi r squared. So for semicircle it will be half pi r squared. Okay, then that will be 1/2. You just pitch down. Pi is 3.14. What's the value for pi? Just 1.42. 3.142. I think I just let the value to be pi first. R squared is 8 squared, which is 64. Then it becomes 64 over 2 pi, which is 32 pi cm squared. And A2 is area of sector, which is half r squared theta. R squared theta. So theta is half. R is 8 squared. Theta is 0.65. Okay, go further down. Then that makes it to become 32 times 0.65. Okay, then 32 times 0.65 is calculator 0.65 20.8. Then A is 32 pi minus 20.8, which is 30 times 3.142 minus 20.8. Let's work it out. 30 times 3.142 and then minus 20.8. That's the answer, 73.46. 73.46 cm squared. Okay, what's the other way to find? Okay, I just divide this page into two. Okay, because we have two circles of the same radius, so I can actually, okay, this is a semicircle. I can actually put that smaller sector here with the same center O. This is our theta, 0.65 radian. Okay, and this is a radius of 8 cm. So what I'll just do is that I rearrange and put the center of both circles to be at O. Then this angle is going to be pi minus 0.65. So we can find easily area using A equal to r squared theta, which is half. R is 8 squared, theta is pi minus 0.65. Okay, then it's going to be, well, 8 squared to this is, remember this, okay, then it is 32. Pi is 3.142 minus 0.65, and that works out to, calculator, 3.142 minus 0.65, which is equal to that, and then times 32. Why is the answer different? Let me check. Okay, just now we got the answer 79.744 here. Let me just write it down. 79.744 cm squared. This step looks correct. Okay, if I check it, I have already checked it twice. This looks correct to me. Let's do that again, shall we? 3.142 minus 0.65, okay, and then times 8 squared, okay, then divide by 2. 79.744 is still the same. So perhaps my first answer is wrong. Let's try to do that again. Okay, the semicircle pi half pi r squared. Okay, pi r squared then is 32 pi. That still looks correct to me. Pi r squared is full circle. Then 8 squared. Let me just use calculator. It's good to have a screen calculator with me. 8 squared divided by 2. That's 32, and that's 32 pi. That's correct. 32 pi is correct. E2 is half r squared theta. Okay, r squared theta, then that is 8 squared divided by 2, which is 32 times 0.65, 20.8. It is also correct. So what went wrong? Yes, okay, this is silly mistake. I've seen it. Okay, one thing is wrong here. This is not 30 but 32. Supposed to be 32. Okay, oh my god, this is 32, right? So this is 32, not 30. Let's do that again. 32. Okay, so this answer is not the same anymore. Okay, then 32 pi. Let's do that with my calculator. 32 times 3.142, which is this, and then minus 20.8, 79.744. Okay, it's the same answer. Good that I checked the other way. Two methods. Okay, we can use any of these two methods as long as we get the right answer. So what's the question for? Oh, is that all? Yeah, that's all. That's all. Okay, how long is the video already now? Okay, it's almost 20 minutes, so I'm gonna stop here for now. We'll continue with part 6 of the video. Okay, goodbye. See you again.